Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most anticipated performance cars in the automotive world, the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo. Few names carry as much prestige and respect as the Porsche 911. For decades, it has represented the perfect blend of everyday usability, timeless design, and breathtaking performance. And now, Porsche is preparing to push the legendary Turbo badge even further into the future. From the very first glance, the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo makes it clear that this isn't just another sports car. It's a machine engineered to deliver excitement every single time you press the start button. The unmistakable silhouette remains instantly recognizable, preserving the DNA that has defined the 911 for generations. Yet, Porsche designers have introduced subtle refinements that modernize the car without sacrificing its iconic character. At the front, the new 911 Turbo features revised LED matrix headlights that are slimmer and more sophisticated than before. These advanced lighting systems not only improve visibility, but also contribute to the car's aggressive appearance. The front bumper has been redesigned with larger air intakes to optimize cooling for the powerful turbocharged engine hidden beneath the rear deck. The low stance and wide body create an unmistakable road presence. Every curve and contour has been shaped with purpose. The sculpted hood, pronounced front fenders, and aerodynamic detailing all work together to enhance both aesthetics and performance. Moving along the side profile, the classic proportions of the 911 remain beautifully intact. The sloping roofline flows effortlessly toward the rear, while muscular rear haunches emphasize the car's rear engine layout. Flush door handles contribute to a cleaner appearance and improved aerodynamic efficiency. Large alloy wheels further enhance the Turbo's visual appeal. Expect unique wheel designs exclusive to the Turbo model, paired with massive performance tires designed to maximize grip under all conditions. Behind those wheels sit powerful braking systems, engineered to bring this high-performance machine to a controlled stop with confidence. At the rear, the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo truly comes alive. The signature full-width LED light bar stretches elegantly across the back of the vehicle, instantly identifying it as a modern Porsche. The active rear spoiler not only enhances the aggressive styling, but also generates additional downforce at higher speeds. Quad exhaust outlets integrated into the rear diffuser hint at the performance capabilities of this remarkable sports car. Every element has been designed to improve airflow, reduce drag, and increase stability. Step inside the cabin, and you'll discover an environment that perfectly balances luxury with performance. Porsche understands that the interior of a sports car should feel special every time you climb behind the wheel. The driver-focused cockpit places essential controls exactly where they need to be. Premium leather upholstery, contrast stitching, brushed aluminum accents, and optional carbon fiber trim create a sophisticated atmosphere. Dominating the dashboard is Porsche's latest infotainment system. Displayed through a high-resolution touchscreen interface, navigation, media functions, vehicle settings, and smartphone connectivity are all easily accessible through intuitive controls. Ahead of the driver sits a fully digital instrument cluster inspired by Porsche's racing heritage. Important information such as speed, navigation, guidance, performance metrics, and driver assistance systems can be customized according to personal preference. The seats deserve special recognition. Designed to provide exceptional support during spirited driving, they remain comfortable enough for long-distance journeys. Multiple adjustment settings ensure drivers of various sizes can find their ideal position behind the wheel. Despite its sports car identity, the 911 Turbo continues to demonstrate impressive everyday practicality. The front luggage compartment provides useful storage space for weekend trips, while the compact rear seats offer additional versatility. Technology plays an increasingly important role in modern performance cars, and the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo embraces innovation without compromising the purity of the driving experience. Wireless smartphone integration allows occupants to remain connected throughout every journey. Voice control functionality minimizes distractions while improving convenience. Advanced driver assistance systems provide additional confidence during daily driving situations. Features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, traffic sign recognition, and parking sensors enhance usability without interfering with the car's fundamental character. Of course, the heart of any Porsche Turbo lies beneath the rear deck, while official specifications remain subject to final confirmation. Expectations suggest that the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo will continue utilizing a twin-turbocharged flat-six engine. Porsche engineers have consistently demonstrated their ability to extract astonishing performance from this legendary power. Improved turbocharger technology, refined engine management systems, and enhanced efficiency measures are expected to deliver even greater performance. Acceleration figures are likely to be extraordinary. Reaching 60 miles per hour could take well under 3 seconds, placing the 911 Turbo among the fastest production cars in the world. What makes the 911 Turbo particularly impressive is not merely its straight-line speed. The way it delivers performance inspires confidence and enjoyment, regardless of driving experience. The advanced all-wheel drive system continuously monitors available traction, distributing power precisely where it's needed most. Whether accelerating aggressively from a standstill or navigating challenging weather conditions, the system enhances both stability and control. Transmission options are expected to include Porsche's renowned dual-clutch automatic gearbox, known for lightning-fast gear changes and exceptional responsiveness. This transmission contributes significantly to the Turbo's performance capabilities. The chassis has also undergone continuous refinement. Adaptive suspension systems adjust damping characteristics in real time, allowing the vehicle to transition effortlessly between comfortable grand touring and focused sports car behavior. Select a more relaxed driving mode, and the 911 Turbo becomes surprisingly civilized. Road imperfections are absorbed effectively. Cabin noise remains controlled, and long-distance comfort rivals many luxury sedans. Switch to a sportier setting, however, and the transformation is immediate. Steering response sharpens, throttle sensitivity increases, suspension firms up, and the entire vehicle adopts a more aggressive personality. Few cars manage this duality as effectively as the Porsche 911 Turbo. It can serve as a daily commuter during the week and transform into a thrilling performance machine on weekends. Braking performance represents another area where Porsche continues to excel. Massive brake rotors and multi-piston calipers provide exceptional stopping power. Optional carbon ceramic braking systems further enhance performance while reducing unsprung weight. Aerodynamics play a critical role in modern high-performance vehicles. Active aerodynamic components adjust automatically to optimize efficiency and downforce, depending on speed and driving conditions. This intelligent approach ensures the 911 Turbo remains stable at high speeds while maintaining everyday usability during normal driving situations. Fuel efficiency may not represent the primary focus for buyers within this segment, yet Porsche continues striving for improved sustainability through engineering innovation. Enhanced combustion efficiency, lightweight materials, and advanced powertrain technologies contribute to reduced emissions without compromising performance. As automotive electrification continues progressing, speculation surrounding hybrid assistance remains strong. Porsche has already demonstrated impressive capabilities through performance-oriented electrification programs. Should the 2026 911 Turbo incorporate hybrid elements, enthusiasts can expect improvements in both responsiveness and efficiency rather than dilution of the traditional driving experience. Pricing for the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo will naturally reflect its premium positioning within the sports car market. Buyers investing in a 911 Turbo understand they are purchasing more than transportation. They are acquiring decades of engineering excellence, motorsport heritage, and one of the most respected performance car badges in automotive history. Customization opportunities remain extensive. Porsche's personalization programs allow owners to specify exterior colors, interior materials, wheel designs, and optional equipment according to individual tastes. This level of personalization ensures that each vehicle reflects the personality and preferences of its owner. Competition within the high-performance sports car segment remains fierce. Yet, the Porsche 911 Turbo occupies a unique position. It combines extraordinary speed with remarkable practicality. It delivers exotic performance without demanding constant compromises. It offers sophistication alongside excitement. Many sports cars excel in one particular area. Some prioritize comfort. Others focus exclusively on track capability. The genius of the 911 Turbo lies in its ability to succeed across multiple disciplines simultaneously. For decades, Porsche has refined this formula with unwavering dedication. Each generation builds upon the achievements of its predecessor while embracing emerging technologies. The 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo appears ready to continue that tradition, admired for its iconic design,